Hey guys, so happy Monday. I wanted to do a video of what we eat in I don't know if I'm gonna do it in a day or a week. I'm just gonna see how it goes. But this is the second week of us being locked down in California because of the coronavirus. And yeah, we're not allowed to say the C word in our house, so I'm just saying that. So if you guys hear me say the C word, that is the coronavirus. But anyways, yeah. So Eden does not allow us to say that word. We only he just wants us to actually just say positive words, because that's right now in the world, that's like a really negative and bad word, so we're not saying that. But yeah, so anyways, so I have 2 cups of oatmeal with 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk, because guys, we're running out of milk. So this is oatmeal, and I'm gonna be chopping up some bananas, and then this is gonna be the kids could put whatever they want. They put Nutella, peanut butter, or honey for, like for flavor, for sweeteners. So yeah, so that is what's for breakfast, and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's all like in the bowl. All right guys, so this is breakfast. We got oatmeal, and the toppings are bananas, sliced almonds, and what else is in there? Oh, peanut butter. It's in there, and then some brown sugar. So that is breakfast. Hopefully this will fill us up. It's actually really late already, and Nathan and Sarah are still sleeping. So it's already like 11:30, guys. So this will be brunch. So yeah, so that is for breakfast slash lunch, and I'll see you guys in a bit to see what we're having either for snack or lunch. We have leftovers, so I will show you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so I just finished making more spaghetti noodles because we ran out. We actually had this also for lunch. We had, like I said, we had a late breakfast, and then we had also like a late lunch. We had lunch around like 3:30 or 4 or something like that, because my brother stopped by to um, drop off some donuts that he got at Dunkin' Donuts. So we had that. And then, so now it's like 8:45. Our times are totally off, guys, because we've been sleeping in and we've been eating late. So this is just leftover spaghetti for today. And here's the spaghetti sauce. We had spaghetti yesterday. I think I said that already. And then we're having toast with butter with it. And I will be making lemon bars later. So I'm just letting the eggs get to room temperature and the butter to room temperature. And then I will be making that. So I'll probably show that also after this. So this is what's for dinner. I'll show you how it looks when it's all plated.
How many calories do you think this is on? 100.
All right, guys, happy Tuesday. And it's already afternoon. The kids just had cereal for breakfast, and I'm actually making lunch, and I'm just gonna cook some ground turkey with onions and garlic. And I had carrots that I needed to use up before I went bad, and some red pepper that I needed to use up. So I'm just gonna put this all together, and I'm just gonna season it with I'm just gonna season it with sesame oil, what is it? Soy sauce, and maybe a little bit of fish sauce. Just season it with salt and pepper and all that, just to have it to taste. But yeah, so that's the ingredients, and these are my lemon bars that I baked last night, and I'm actually gonna give it to my family and neighbors. So that's how that looks, and I saved some for us also. And then I have rice cooking over here, and this is ours for the week, kind of like dessert. I'm gonna make another dessert, I don't know, tonight or tomorrow, so we'll see. So I'll show you guys how it looks when as I'm cooking it. All right, so I have the onions and the garlic. I sauteed that first with the oil, and then I put in the ground turkey. And before the ground turkey was fully cooked, I put the carrots, just because that's gonna take a little longer to soften up. And then now I'm gonna put the red bell pepper. And then after this, I'm just gonna put my seasonings. And here are my seasonings. I have soy sauce. I have pure sesame oil and some fish sauce, and I'm just gonna season to taste however you like it. All right, so I don't have any measurements for this. I'm just gonna like sprinkle it over. Like that. I'm gonna put the sesame oil. Sprinkle that over. It's probably like a couple of tablespoons. We like sesame oil, so that's extra. Oh, it smells so good. And then just a tiny bit of fish sauce, because can you open this for me, please? Because fish sauce is very salty, but it gives a lot of flavor. So I'm just gonna put like this one, probably like just a tablespoon. So, or a little bit less, depending how you like it. So I'm just gonna mix this up. I also have this kale that I had in the fridge, so I'm just gonna use this. It's probably like a cup and a half of kale, but maybe like a handful. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Got some greens in there. I'm gonna eat it over white rice. Alright, I'm gonna top it off with some sesame seeds. I'm running low. Need to get that. Save some for another dish. And that is it, guys. So I don't know what this is called. It's just ground turkey with veggies and some sesame oil, soy sauce, and a little bit of fish sauce. So I don't know what to call this. It's just ground sesame turkey meat or something. All right, so this is what's for lunch. All right, guys, so this is how lunch looks like, with white rice and the ground turkey. All right, guys, so for tonight's dinner, Tuesday night, I had frozen lumpias in the freezer already, so I'm just frying that out. I already fried a batch, and it's pretty much all gone, and I gave some to my mom and my dad, and I'm gonna fry more in here. So yeah, so this is what's for dinner. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's plated. All right, guys, so this is how it looks like. This is leftover from lunch. Lumpias, white rice, and then I didn't have any sweet chili sauce, but my mom did, so woohoo! I'm so excited. I'm so happy that she had it. But yeah, so this is what's for dinner on Tuesday night. All right, guys, so it is Wednesday, and it is 3:30 already, and our family fasted till 3 in the afternoon, so we didn't eat breakfast. And yeah, so I completely forgot to show you guys what we were having for like a super late lunch, and it is egg salad. We had it with well, a sandwich, so we had it with bread, And then Leia wanted leftover spaghetti, so that's what she has. So that's like a late lunch. So I still don't know what I'm making for dinner. So you guys have to see and find out what I'm making for dinner. So this is what's for lunch on Wednesday. Hey guys, so this is what's for dinner Wednesday night. We are having chazuke, which is like a Japanese rice seasoning, and it's actually called the rice and tea, but we just the kids like it with just hot water with the rice. And this is what's inside this packet right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat it with a side of tuna, and it's delicious. So this is what's for dinner on Wednesday night. All right, guys, so this is what's for dinner Thursday night. We are having Filipinos, it's called lunganisa in Tagalog, and it's just pork sausage. And then I made garlic fried rice, and this is like fresh garlic. There's like fresh garlic. I fried garlic, and then I just seasoned it with garlic powder. And then we're having, it's actually like a Filipino breakfast dish, so we're having it with fried eggs, and these are the eggs. And then I have just like a I don't know, it's kind of like, I guess it's pico de gallo. So there's cilantro, onions, tomatoes, and green onions. So that is what's for dinner. And this morning we had pancakes. It was like brunch because we woke up late. Well, not really, the kids ate late, but yeah, so I'll insert a picture of our pancakes. So this is what's for dinner Thursday night. All right, guys, so this is how it looks when it's all plated. It looks so good. I'm so hungry. I've been craving longanisa for a while now. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. No, it's Friday. It's Friday morning, and it's actually almost afternoon again. You guys, you've been getting up super late, but I will be making, it's called Dalgona coffee. My cousins from the Philippines have been talking about this. It's a frothy coffee. So the ingredients is super easy. It's just 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then I'm actually gonna mix it up with my mixer, and then I will show you guys. And then you pour it over milk, any type of milk that you want. I have whole milk, and I was thinking of actually putting some like honey in there too, to just add the flavor. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's all frothy. Alright, so this is how it looks once it's all done mixing, and it's nice and thick, and it looks so good. I'm gonna get my milk ready. Alright guys, so this is how it looks, and I put some honey on the side, so it looks so good. Dalgona frothy coffee. Alright. Alright, so this is what's for lunch on Thursday. Eden was craving a burger, so we just got Burger King. So we just have burgers and fries for lunch. So no cooking for me for lunch. Alright, Friday night's dinner. We are just having Hebrew National hot dogs with chili and some cheese, and I'm going to top it off with some onions and then put some mustard in it. I'll show you how it looks when it's all plated. Hey guys, so happy Saturday. It's already what time is it? 5 o'clock. This is pretty much dinner. We had a late lunch. Again, woke up late. What's new? Anyway, so yeah, so this is what's for dinner. We're having Filipino beef steak or beef steak. I don't know, but it's just, so I bought a roast at Vons, and I just sliced it the thinnest that I could, and then so I just made like strips, and so it worked out really well because like the roast was like, I think it was like $6 or $7, and it's gonna make a lot of beef steak. So I have I just actually just sauteed the onion. I sliced it and like the circles, like kind of like onion rings, and then I just sauteed it in a little bit of oil, and then put garlic powder. So, but I didn't cook it like all the way. So I'm gonna, after this cooks, I'm gonna put the onions on top of it. So the marinade is just soy sauce and lemon, and it's up to you how salty you want it or how sour you want it. So, and then I also seasoned it with garlic powder and some pepper, and I had also lemon pepper seasoning, so I just put that. So what I did was I cooked the meat first. Like I kind of like fried it in oil. Not really fried it, I just like cooked it in oil, so that way when I placed it in the pot, I had to do it like 3 times or 2 times. And then so when I put it in the pot, like it's pretty much already all cooked. It's just simmering in the sauce now. So after I cooked the meat, I put the marinade in, and now it's just simmering until like the meat softens up. So I'm gonna show you guys when it's all done, but it smells so good. So it's pretty much soy sauce, fresh squeezed lemon. If you don't have fresh squeezed lemon, you could just use the lemon from like the bottle. And then, yeah, so salt and pepper and garlic powder, and that's pretty much all the ingredients. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. Just put in the onions in there. Gosh, it smells so good. We're just gonna eat it with white rice. Hey guys, happy Sunday. We just finished church, and I actually got ready, guys. Like I put makeup on, did my hair, put regular clothes to give my leggings, my robe, and my PJs a break. But I'm actually back in my robe. But anyways, so we are having breakfast, or yeah, it's 11:14, and we just have Eden made scrambled eggs with cheese and toasted butter, and I'm having my dalgona coffee. Guys, so good. This is day 3 and I'm obsessed. All right, so this is breakfast, Sunday morning. All right guys, it is Sunday night, and we are having cheese pizza, frozen cheese pizza for dinner. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. And the kids, if they want, we have carrots and salad if they want it. But this is what's for dinner Sunday night. And I put extra mozzarella cheese because we had it, and it looks so good.